Welcome guys to a new video. This is a past exam question, exam from 2021. This one involves a bit of geometry, so let's have a look. Joy is making a party hat in the form of a cone. The hat is made from a sector AOB of a circular piece of paper with a radius of 18 centimeters and the angle of AOB equals to theta. We can see this over here. To make the hat, the sides OA and OB are joined together. We can see them. The hat has a base radius of 6.5 centimeters here below. Okay, question A. Write down the perimeter of the base of the hat in terms of pi. Okay, well, we have the following. We know that the perimeter of a circle, because we have a circular base, equals 2 pi r. So in this case we have 2 pi times the radius, which is 6.5. 6.5, that's 13 pi centimeters. Okay, so that's going to be for part I. Then for the second part of the question, find the value of theta. Okay, so we go here and we look at the theta and we're gonna try to figure that out. What do we know? We know that the cone, right, is made from the sector AOB. In other words, we are joining A towards B to make up the shape of the cone that we see over here. You see, they show that this point is both A and B because they are joined to each other. Well, that means that this length is equal to the perimeter of this circle. This is the same thing, and since that perimeter is 13 pi, okay, we can write the formula for the perimeter of the sector equals to 13 pi. So for question A II, we're gonna do the following. The perimeter of the sector equals to theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 pi r. So we have 2 pi times 18. We have the 18 from here. Okay, this is the radius in this case. So we do that and we must equal to 13 pi. We do 13 pi, which is from here. So pi and pi cancels out, and to make things easier for yourself, just put this in numerical solve on the GDC and it's gonna solve it for you. So the theta from here is gonna be equal to 130 degrees. That's going to conclude part A for us, and now let's have a look at part B. It's over here below. Find the surface area of the outside of the hat. Okay, so the area that we're looking for is the area of the sector, and we have the formula theta over 360 times pi r squared. In this case, we know that theta was 130, we found it. The radius is still 18. Put all these values together and we are going to have 130 divided by 360 times pi times 18 to the power 2, and that gives us an answer of 368 centimeters squared to 3 significant figures. Hope this all makes sense. We're done with the exercise. If you like the video, please drop it a like. If you follow the AI standard level course, make sure you subscribe because there's going to be a lot of content on this channel and it's going to help you with your exams. See you in the next one.